Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Windows Server VMs using RDP with NLA detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to Windows Server VMs using RDP with network level authentication, start by ensuring that your Windows Server is properly configured. First, check if your Windows Server version supports remote desktop with NLA. To do this, access the server and navigate to the control panel. Select System and Security. Then click on System. On the left side, click on Remote Settings to open the Remote Desktop options. In the Remote Desktop section, ensure Allow Remote Connections to this computer is selected. Next, confirm that the checkbox for Allow Connections only from computers running Remote Desktop with network level authentication is checked. Click on Apply and then OK to save your settings. Now, ensure that your client machine has the Remote Desktop Connection app installed. Open the Remote Desktop Connection app on your client machine. In the Computer field, enter the IP address or the hostname of your Windows Server. Before proceeding, click on Show Options to reveal additional settings. Under the Username field, enter the appropriate credentials for the server. Click on the Advanced tab and then click on Settings under Connect from Anywhere. Ensure the option Use these RD Gateway server settings is configured if RD Gateway is being used. Return to the General tab and click Connect. You will be prompted to enter your password. Once you input your password, click OK to proceed with the connection. If all settings are correct, you will successfully authenticate to your Windows Server VM. If you encounter an error, verify your network connection and server address. Ensure that any firewall settings on the server allow RDP traffic on port 3389. In case NLA fails, ensure that the client machine is also running a compatible version of Windows. Taking these steps will ensure secure authentication to your Windows Server VMs using RDP with NLA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.